Intelligence Prime Capital, or IPC, was a complete scam. As we all know, they run away with our money. But the way that it was supposed to be was good, right? You would be earning from the Forex market. You supposedly had your own bot. You could make money passively. And all of that is still possible. And what happened with the IPC will never ever ever happen with what I'm about to share with you. So many leaders has jumped ship. Of course they're not with IPC anymore, but what they really were looking for was this. So with Eaconomy's Forex trading bot Aithena, you can keep all of your funds inside your own brokerage account. You can choose whichever broker you want connected to the bot, and then the bot will trade for you inside your own account. So what happened to IPC will never ever 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 happen again. So I'm gonna share with you 3 rules that you can live by to make sure you never ever get scammed online again. And if you like the idea of Forex, if you like the idea of passive income, if you like the idea of your money working hard for you, what should you do right now? Go down to the link down in the description below and sign up for the Eaconomy bot, Aithena, right? So just go there in the description and create an account, and I will reach out to you. The minimum deposit is $1,000. If you have 1,000 American dollars that you can put into a broker of your choice, if you don't know which one to choose, I have one that I recommend down there as well. Just follow the steps outlined and you are good to go. Have all of your funds inside your own account just connected to, and you are good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a lot more information on the Eaconomy and the Forex bot there, because it's really what IPC was supposed to be. Maybe if you're watching this, you probably put in a little bit of money into IPC, and I did so myself, and I lost it all. I didn't really want to do it. Some of my friends were doing it, and I thought I just put in a little bit of money, see what happens. But since I broke the 3 rules, which I'm about to share with you, my money disappeared. Right? Fortunately, I was wise enough not to share it with anyone, but with what we have with Eaconomy here is the real deal. It's a bot that has almost a 3-year track record, 3 years, and it hasn't had a losing month in that time. But I'm going to show you all of that in the end of this video. But for you action takers, if you have 1,000 or more, we have people that's gone in with 10, 20, 40, 50, 100K into this bot because just of the safety reasons. So just go down, create an account down below. So here are my 3 rules how you can avoid being scammed online ever again. So make sure that what happened with ICP will never happen to you again. Follow these 3 rules, which is number 1, no back office money ever. Whenever you send money to someone else's website, into a back office, you deposit it there, consider the money gone. It's gone, right? In 99.9% of the time, the money is gone, right? So that's the first thing you should look out for. If you need to put the money inside of their control, consider it gone. Luckily, you don't have to do that with the Forex trading bot because it's real. It's actually producing results. We have my FX book, hundreds, even thousands of them, where you can show the results. So you can choose whichever broker you have, so you don't have that problem. Number 2, right? Fixed returns. Anything that promise you fixed returns is an absolute scam. It's against compliance. It's called enticement. So when someone offers you great fixed and guaranteed results, you have to ask yourself, okay, where are the big banks at? Where are the big investors? Where's Warren Buffett, right? Because if it was, guaranteed every single month, of course, everyone would do it. All the big banks, all the major investors, but of course they don't, because they are smart. They realize that this is a scam, and if this was your first company online, don't give up hope, right? There are some bad apples out there, but there are also very genuine companies, which I'm about to share with you, which really delivers and over delivers on its promises. And what happened with ICP will never ever be possible ever again, because your money is away from the company, right? So I'm going to show you all that in the end of this video. If you've heard enough, you have $1,000, you're ready to go, you want to make passive income with a Forex trading robot, just fill in a link down below, create an account, I will reach out to you. Minimum 1K investment. Number 3 is transparency. So ICP claim to do a lot of trading, but it didn't really have any transparency to it, right? You couldn't really fact check it. They say, oh, we did trading, we did this, but where's the transparency? Can you show it to me? Now, with Eaconomy's Aithena, which is the Forex trading robot, which it's called. They also have Forex signals and all that kind of good stuff as well. But just focusing on the bot, right? Because every user can put their money into different brokerages, they can choose which one they want. Every single member can, if they want to, also connect to my FX book, so they can see the results happening in your account. So that's what's happening. We have hundreds and even thousands of people who connected to it, and everyone's using the same strategy, just basically plug and play. You just keep your money in your account. There are no guarantees in terms of your investment percentage. But what we've seen going back, 3 years back in time, it's been on average, no guarantees, 7 to 10% per month. Last month, which was the September 2022, was 18% month. That's extraordinary. That doesn't happen, every single month. And, past results are not indicative of future results. I'm just sharing with you that over a long time span, some less, some more, on average, even though it's not indicative of future results, so has it been somewhere between 7 to 10%, and this will be automatically compounded as well. So what they do is that they do not have a PAM account. There's no profit splits, there's no performance fee. So what they've done is that they have a flat subscription fee. Okay, flat subscription fee. You pay that every month and you keep all of the profits. Every single penny you get to keep, right? And it's $149 per month. But for certain countries, I know like ICP was really, really big in like Nigeria, for instance. So there are some countries like in East Asia and African countries that actually get a discount. So they can use Aithena for $99 per month, just so that it's accessible to as many people as possible. So you pay a flat $99 per month, like if you're from any of these countries. Otherwise it'd be $149, and you get to keep all of the profits, right? Some people say, oh, I don't want to pay every single month, but listen. Usually you have like a PAM account, your profit split, performance fee. Let's say for sake of argument that is 20%. So we have people in our team, because they feel amazing, they've had consistent profits the past month. I'm not saying that will be the case each and every single day, right? But just for the past month, there's been no losing days even. Full transparency inside our own account. And it's like, okay, this bot has a track record. I have the funds with a trusted broker that is regulated, that is licensed, right? So people are going in with 20, 40, 50, 100, 200K per person, right? So let's say for the sake of argument that the person trading with $100,000 makes 10% for the month. This is completely hypothetical, but they make 10% for the month. That would be $10,000 worth of profit. Now, if they had to do some profit splits or some performance fee that was 20%, that would end up being $2,000 that they have to pay to use the software. Now, so you see how expensive it becomes, right? So with $1,000, you could potentially, at least break even on a monthly basis, and then with the compound, with your account compounding, boom, you would then potentially, with the compounding, increase your account over time, right? But what you're paying also for is, the track record of 3 years with not a losing month. There might be individual losing days, but there have been no losing months thus far in almost 3 years. And security, right? There will be no rug pulls, there will be no scams, nothing can ever happen to your funds. If it's with a regulated and licensed broker that you decide yourself, if you don't know which one to choose, I strongly suggest you use the one that I use, because we've really done our due diligence on that one, and it's amazing, right? So in short, avoid these three things. Back office money, no. If there's not complete transparency as to what happens, who is the management, who is behind it, where does the profit come from, show the actual trading down to the open and close positions, don't do it. If they offer fixed guaranteed results, don't do it. Okay, just don't, right? Because this here will be the scam killer, right? So this is a Forex robot that actually works, that allows you to choose your own investor, your own broker. Keep all of your funds there, and the bot will trade inside your account, right? If you want to build a business about this, the compensation plan is really aggressive as well. It's a binary that goes up to $1 million per month. And it's based on subscriptions. So it's not based on the amount that people deposit. It's not based on people's trading results. It's not based on any of that. It's based on subscription, just like a physical product. So people connect to this here bot. It trades for them inside their own account. There's a 92% retention rate, meaning that more than if 10 people start, then 9 will stay. Why? Because the value that they get on a monthly basis is higher than what they're paying for it. So what I would suggest, if you have $1,000, $1,200, $2,000 on the low end, all the way up to a couple of hundreds of thousands, give it a try. All I can say is give it a try. We have the track record. I'm going to show you at the end of this video, show you a track record almost 3 years in time. You can select whichever broker you feel comfortable with, licensed, regulated. For the past month, there's not been a single losing day. That is no guarantee of future. I'm just telling you, right? Give it a shot. Try it out. If you like the IPC, the idea of it, not the scam and the rug pull and running away. If you like the idea of it, try this out. Because this is the real deal, right? This is the real software trading for you inside your own brokerage account. So if you have 1,000 or more, what you do right now, create an account down in the description below. I will reach out to you. And if you want to build a business around it as well, let me help you. I work with other 6 and 7 figure earners in the industry, and we're working together to blow this company up, right? So we have all the connections. We will help you to get started with your team, okay? So here now I put together the result, I put together the presentation of this amazing Forex bot. So after you watch this video, create an account down in the description below. Let's get started. Let's do this together, and let's leave all of these scam platforms behind us, and let's build something long term. So check this video out.
Are you fed up with companies and opportunities that are here today and gone tomorrow? Are you sick and tired of the scams, the Ponzi schemes, and rug pulls, and want something that is transparent, that is long-term, that is sustainable, where you have your funds in your own control? Then I have good news for you. You are in the right place to say goodbye to back office money and say hello to long-term income with Eaconomy. So Eaconomy launched September 2021. They're debt-free, they are privately owned, and they're leading experts in currency and trading innovation. They have their headquarters in Las Vegas currently, but they're moving that over to Dubai. The founder and CEO of Eaconomy is Hassan Mahmoud. He's a financial expert. He's done multiple 9 figures in global sales. He's spoken and trained in 62 different countries, has helped tens of thousands worldwide learn the power of passive income. He's a loving father, husband, and loves people. He's also been helping out many of the big MLM organizations to put together their compensation plan, etc., etc. He's very known within the industry and has been, on Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, CBS, MSNBC, Entrepreneur, Fox News, etc., etc. So what are the products and services that Eaconomy offer? The first and foremost is the Eaconomy Calibrate Academy, where they have video trading academy, where you can learn Forex fundamentals. You can get coaching from successful traders. You get live weekly Q&A sessions, and they're available in English, Spanish, and Arabic. So you can have pre-recorded lessons where you can learn the fundamentals, but also live trading sessions where you can jump on with an educator and learn in real time. So here are 2 of the products that we are super excited about within Eaconomy. One is the Eminence, which gives us trading signals. And at the end of this here presentation, I'm going to show you the results of these signals. And they're absolutely mind-boggling. Some weeks has been more than 3,500 pips right? So the way it works, you receive a phone alert, review the alert, and you can decide to take the trade. Currently, this is given to you via a Telegram group. Also, we have Manara, which is basically a harmonic scanner, which saves you a lot of time and which also analyzes the market to see when is a good time to go in and out. Another great product and service that we have is the DCA strategy for cryptocurrency. So instead of just, buying cryptocurrency at the current rate, you just blindly, here you will know that, okay, if you have X amount of money to invest, say 1,000, you should buy in $200 at this price, 200 here, 50 there, 100 there, etc., etc. So it gives you the best time to go in so you can have a long-term holding. And here we come to the flagship, and this is the flagship product of Eaconomy that everyone is super excited about. And this is the automated trading robot who trades for us in your own personal brokerage account, and you can choose whichever brokerage account you feel comfortable with. If you don't know which one to choose, I have made a recommendation down in the description below. There you will also find all the information for you to get started. So what it does, it scans and analyzes multiple currency pairs, looking for the best market opportunities. 3 minutes to set up. It's really easy to set up. And then it's basically hands off. So you basically plug and play. They usually take 3 to 4 trades per day. And again, in the end of this video, I'm going to show you the results that people have had, and they're absolutely amazing. So make sure you watch the video to the absolute very end. And Aithena works best if you have a minimum of $1,000, but we have people in our own team that has gone in with 100,000 and more, just because we have a track record of success with Aithena for almost 3 years, which you're going to see in my FX book in the end of this video, but also because people feel really safe and secure because they get to have their funds safe and secure inside their own brokerage account. So Eaconomy has no access to your funds. You just connect the broker to the bot, and then all trading happens within inside your account, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. There is no profit sharing whatsoever. So that's really amazing. You will also get something called the coin zoom. If you decide to build a business with Eaconomy and refer this to others, you will get paid out to something called coin zoom. So there's no back office money in Eaconomy whatsoever. Your investments stay with your Forex broker, and your affiliate commissions gets paid out to coin zoom, right? And again, so Eaconomy, once they've sent it over to CoinZoom and they pay out weekly, they cannot touch it in any way, shape, or form. So it's absolutely amazing. Your funds, your investments is secure, and your income is secure here as well. No back office money whatsoever. And you can even get a CoinZoom card to spend your crypto, and you can get up to 5% cash back on your purchases with this card. So the biggest question now we get to is, how can I get started? So there are 2 different packages, and the great thing that I like about this is the subscription model, right? And we are really well priced. There are so many other opportunities within the Forex and education space out there, and they charge way too much money. So what Eaconomy wants to do, they want to give access to the everyday normal person, right? So that everyone can use these products and services. And even in Asia, in certain Asian countries and in African countries, they've even given a special discount. So they pay less than this. Why? Because they want everyone to be able to benefit from this here service. And I'm going to show you in just a second. I'm building the business, and because it's based on a subscription-based model, oh my God, the possibilities. And I will show you exactly what I mean in just a few slides. But first, check this out. We have 2 packages. We have the Elite Pack and the Elite Pro Pack. So the Elite Pack is $149 the first month, and then $99 onwards. And the Elite Pack gives you access to the Forex Academy, where you have live training and also where you have pre-recorded sessions. You have the Eminence, which gives you amazing signals. We have the Manara, which scans the market for you and give you ideas when you can go in and when you should go out. You have the Hercules, which is the dollar cost average strategy for cryptocurrency. You have CoinZoom, where you get paid out. So you can use this unlimitedly for 149 first month and 99 each month going forward. Now, for the Elite Pro Pack, has everything the Elite Pack has, but it also has Aithena, which is the automated trading robot. So if you like the idea of passively earning money on a weekly, daily and monthly basis, then Aithena is something that you should look into. And of course, I am not guaranteeing any results in any way, shape, or form. Past results are not indicative of future results. There are no guarantees whatsoever. But what you will see in the end of this video is an almost 3-year track record of people using Aithena and consistently winning, right? So Sky is a VPS, right? So it's basically a computer away from home, which allows you to connect Aithena to your Forex broker and let it trade for you, even if you close your computer. So Sky, which is the VPS, is included in the price. And again, it takes 3 minutes to set up. You only need to do it once, and then it does everything for you, the automation Monday through Friday, right? So there's also an incentive for you to share this wonderful opportunity with your friends, as if you needed any, because the product in and of itself is so absolutely amazing. But if you refer 3 people to this here opportunity, your monthly subscription is waived. You do not have to pay anything, and you get to use all the products and services for free. Yeah. All right. Also, if you want to become a business builder, then you need an affiliate market kit, which is $29 the first month, and then $15 monthly. So what's happening here is that you have different ranks, and I'm going to quickly go through all of them, and then I'm going to share with you why this is so amazing, right? If you are a leader watching this, if you want long-term sustainable income, this is for you, and I'm going to prove it to you without a shadow of a doubt. So the first rank is the apprentice, where you will earn $100 and it's paid out weekly in $25 increments. So if you have free personally enrolled, people, customers using these here products and service, you will be earning $100 per month. So it's best to first get your free 1, 2, 3, get your free. But if you recruit more than 3 people, then it's better to then become an affiliate. But first have your first 3 people. You don't need to have the affiliate marketing kit, right? Next rank is the Influencer 500, where you have 10 people on each side. And remember, this is a binary, so you will get spillover from the person above you. And when the people below you start building teams, that will also count towards your organization as long as they are active. And this goes down infinite levels. Okay, infinite levels on both sides. You can spill over for the person above you, right? So if you have the 20 people, 10 on your left, 10 on your right, that are actively using the subscription. So look, guys, this is not determined on, their deposits. It's not determined on how much they make on a monthly basis, right? So there's no matching bonus as to how much they earn, anything like that. This is based on active subscriptions. And what we have is we have a 92 to 94% retention rate with Economy. Why? Because the products and service is so good, and the value people get is much higher than the price they're paying for it, that people stick around. So all the good part about, the physical products, right, where you get a monthly auto ship for those products, that we have implemented here. So no longer will your income go like this, because you have kind of one good month or one bad month. So check this out. Say that you have your team, you have 10 last month, but you don't recruit anyone new. the next month, but nobody, you know, drops off either, you will still have the same paycheck as last month, because it's based on people actively using this. And you know, it's absolutely mind-boggling. Again, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the results. I'm going to show you the verified results, the testimonials, everything. So you're going to have your mind blown. So be sure to watch that at the end of this video, right? So 10-10, you earn $500 per month. 20-20, right? 20 on your left, 20 on your right, 900 per month. 40-40, now we're up to 1,500 per month with influencer 1,500. Prodigy 3K is 75 on each side is 3,500. What you see is that there have middle steps, so there's not huge jumps between the ranks, and that's absolutely amazing. So only, check this out, only by referring 3 people, right, building an organization, getting spillover, helping them, plugging them in, sharing the opportunity, helping them to present the business to their friends and their family, and so on and so forth, you can earn an extra $3,000 per month. I mean, it's absolutely mind-boggling. Like, I love this, and it will be consistently coming in. It's not based on what the deposits were, because there's no back office money. Any opportunity which has back office money is 99.9% a scam, right? Anything that offers you fixed returns, you know, it's not compliant. You cannot promise anyone fixed returns. We're not allowed here. I can show you past results. I cannot guarantee anything in the future, because that's not how the way it works. So 99.9% of the time, whenever you put your money into something, boom, it's a scam. If they promise you a fixed return, boom, it's a scam. Here, it's not possible, right? Because they don't take the new people's money and pay out the other people. No, it doesn't work like that. There's no back office money, right? People are in economy because they want to be in economy. Why? Because they get value for the products and services, right? This is subscription based. If they have crappy products, people would not subscribe anymore, and you know, economy would go out of business. Why? Because people's funds are not held hostage. You know, usually in these scam platforms, they lock your money up. Why do they do that? Because they're gonna run away with it. They won't want you to take it out. Here, we don't have that problem. You can choose whichever Forex broker that you feel comfortable, that is, you know, that is regulated, that is compliant, right? And you can keep your funds with them. And again, if you don't know which Forex broker to choose, check out the one that I recommend in the description down below. That's the one we've been working with for a very long time. It's regulated. It has all the paperwork done. Amazing, amazing, amazing service. Been around since 2009, right? So take this. This here, you don't see it, but this compensation plan actually goes all the way down to $1 million per month, right? So next one, Prodigy 5K, 200 for personally enrolled. Icon 9, 375. You get 2,250 per week. And also, when you hit this rank, you'll get a one-time bonus of $6,000, guys. Woo! Icon 15, 500, right? Here, you will get 15,000, right? A one-time reward of 15,000 when you hit this rank. So when you hit Icon 15, you'll earn 30K, right? Because you get the once of 15,000 and then 15,000 every month going forward. Right, Icon 25, same. You get 25,000 and then 25,000 every month after. Icon 50, you get 50K reward and then 50K every month afterward. Mogul 75, you get 75,000 and then 75 every month continuously. And then 100K, you get a 100K bonus and then 100,000 every month after that. And this is paid out in crypto to CoinZoom, where you can have your own private account there, and you can connect your card, you can withdraw it to wherever you want. So this is absolutely amazing. This is going to stay around for a long time because you don't have any of the problems with the other platforms. Your funds are not held hostage. They have have a product and service with a 3-year track record, which you're going to see in the end of this video. And it's based on active customers using, loving the service. And then you will have a predictable long-term income. And I don't know about you, but I like the sound of that. Actually, this was everything. So I want to thank each and everyone who take a look at this here presentation. I'm super excited about that. And now we're going to take a deep dive and take a look at the testimonials and the result of the signals and of the automation trading software that's called Aithena that Eaconomy has to offer us. So check this out. Hey everyone, and welcome to this Economy presentation. We're going to take a look at some testimonials and some results, both from the Aithena, the automatic software, and from the amazing signals that Economy also has. So let's jump into it. The great thing about the Economy is that you get to keep your funds safe and secure in the broker of your choice. And what happens is that we have now hundreds and even thousands of the different members in Economy. They have connected to something called My FX Book. And if you see these two ticks here, track record verified and trading privileges verified, then we can know that these results are accurate, right? So there's no messing about with Economy in any way, shape, or form. There is 100% complete transparency where every single user can show you their independent results inside their own broker. And guess what? 100% of the profits is theirs to keep. There's no performance fee whatsoever. All they have to do is pay a flat subscription fee of $150, and they can enjoy these amazing results. And before we go further, let me just tell you this. Past results are not indicative of future results, and there's always risks when it comes to trading. So there, I've said it. Let's jump into some of the results. So in this first account, this is actually a rather big account. It's about 100K account, someone in our team that recently got started with Aithena, and they are absolutely loving it. And as you can see, for the month, they made almost 11% even, 11%. And if we go down, we can see that, okay, August, 6% started it in the end of August, and now September, 11% already. So this is amazing. This person is absolutely loving it. And we can see as well that the drawdown has not been very big. You see 0.57%, 0.62%, or 0.62%. They're very small drawdowns, which is amazing. There's no gambling, so to speak, taking place here. If we take the look at the next one, you will see that the gain is here 350, almost 58%. So they have done this for a longer time period. Here you can also see that the results go back to 2020. But you can see there's been really consistent, and I think it's the scale factor 2 they're using here. So they are getting an average of about 10%. And remember, these are trades happening inside your own personal account. You get to keep all the profits, and they just have to pay the $149 per month. And if you're interested in more information, if you want to join the team, just feel free to click the link down below in the description, and you'll get more information on that. So this is absolutely amazing. 2022 also trading very consistent results as well. And in 2020, they were just getting started, November, December. So Economy has already been around for a while, for a couple of years, 3 years now. And they will continue to be there for many years to come. And the reason for that is because there's no back office money, right? They have a working product. as you can see, without a shadow of a doubt, you have many independent people, right? You'll see both here from the Aithena, but also in the signals, which I'm going to show you after the Aithena. You'll see that the results are absolutely amazing, and that is why Economy has a 92 to 94% retention rate as well. Here's yet another account with Aithena. We take a look and let's see what's happening here. 88% gain, very impressive. See, especially if you look at the landscape today, like, of course, there's risk with everything, but in the current market, there's a risk leaving your funds in your own bank account as well due to inflation. It's just losing its money. So in my mind, okay, if I can put some of my money offset for investments, not rent money, obviously, but if I can move that to a broker, have it sitting in a broker account with a regulated, trusted broker that has been around forever, right? And have it sitting in an account there and it's generating a cash flow for me, of course, I would do so, right? You will see here really amazing as well, the growth. Look at this for the month, almost 12%. And the great part is there's like automatic compounding, because when you start earning more, you will also, the lot sizes for the next trades get bigger. So the more profit you make, the more you will then trade with the next time around as well, right? So there's an automated compound aspect to Aithena as well, which means you can basically set it and forget it, right? And it will take care of everything, which is pretty awesome. And if we go to the next one, check this out. So this is pretty impressive. You can see here is 172% gains, which is amazing. There is $13,000 profit, which is really nice if you ask me. If you go down, you can see a lot of awesome things. All right, it's coming around. But the most important things, oh, here it comes. Here it comes. We have some crazy months here, but it's been an average of around 10% on average, right? Which is really, really, really nice. Having 10% compounded per month. Woo! And then some of you are asking, how is that even possible? Because if you spend some time with a compound calculator, you will quickly realize that if you make that, per month, your funds will quickly grow to really big sums. But the fact is, this is Forex, and this is like 11 trillion or something crazy like that being traded on a daily basis. I mean, it's huge Forex market. So you getting a few millions out of the Forex market is like taking a bucket of water from the ocean. Like, it won't even make a dent, which is really, really, really amazing that we have a software here and they have made it available for everyday normal people, right? That maybe don't want to spend hours and hours and hours and hours learning about trading, learning, graphs, resistance, support lines, all of that stuff. I know I don't want to, but if this is a legitimate thing and we have a track record of its success, then I'll be happy to use it and share it with people as well, right? So this is amazing, amazing stuff. Let's go to the next one. As you see, all settings are verified, and you might all trades are verified. And why you might ask yourself, why do the different incomes vary from person to person? Well, that's because there's different risk settings that you can choose, and they are trading with different amounts of capital. It will make a difference. So for instance, we'll get started with Aithena. Is a minimum required, not required, but a minimum suggested amount of $1,000, because it just simply works better the more funds you have. We have many people on the team. The first guy I showed you, he has gone in with 100K, 100,000. We have also people got in with 10, 20, 40, 50K. And when they see these results, month after month, they tend to, you know, put in more and more and more and more money, right? Because it's doing what it's supposed to do. They have their funds safely secure in their own account, and you know, they are tired of scams. They're tired of rug pulls. They really want something that is actually genuine, that's actually long term, that's actually passive. And that is exactly what we have here with Economy. So let's take a look at the last one before we take a look at the results of the different signals, which is absolutely amazing. Some weeks there's been more than 3,500 pips. So we're going to take a look at that. And you guys, you can do this simultaneously, right? You can have the bot doing its thing on automation and at the same time do the different trade ideas from the trade signals. You can jump on live trading sessions with the educators, right? And do trades and learn how to do it yourself as well. Wow, the growth. We have just started out here, 12% for the year. That's pretty awesome. 12% for September so far. Really nice. Really nice. All right. So this is the benefit, right? There is no shady back office money, right? The economy does not know the trading amount you have. There's full and complete transparency due to the track record verification and trading privileges verification on my FX book, right? So it's all out in the open. It's 100% transparent and every user can connect to this, right? So it doesn't get better than this. Something that's reliable long term, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. 100%. Say that you are trading with 100K, right? And you make 10% for the month. Well, that would be $10,000 worth of profit, and you get to keep all of it. All you have to pay is the monthly fee of $149, and you can keep the rest, right? It's not a performance fee where if there's been a performance fee of 20%, then it would cost you $2,000 per month, and that would be steep. Now you only have to pay $149 and you get access to all of it. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to take a look at the signals as well. Because if you loved Aithena, you are going to be super excited about the different signals as well. So here comes that review. Let's start off with indices. This is from August 7th to August 13th. So these are weekly results. So I have for a couple of weeks here that I want to share with you guys. And so you can get a feel for what to expect. Even though past results are not indicative of future results, you get a feel for what it could look like, so to speak. All right, so if we start over here with indices, we will see that the 100% win rate, four wins, 645 pips, points in profit. This is awesome. For the RFX, there's a win ratio of 95%. Really good. 38 wins, 2 losses, 2 break even. Marathon record RFX, 92.5% win ratio, 3 losses, 37 wins and 1 break even. Weekly Forex results from the August 7th to August 13th between all of them. So that's 1,359 pips. And I know traders, I have personal friends who are traders, and they are paying insane amount of money, right? There is some guy, bought a Telegram, access to a Telegram group that gave signals for half a Bitcoin, 0.5 Bitcoin. They bought in, and now you with Economy for a monthly fee of $99, you get to keep all the profits yourself. You just pay a flat fee of $99 and you get all of these trade ideas sent to you that you can take action on. It's absolutely mind-boggling. So next week, also 1,300 in that range. Really good. And if you take a look at indices, this is the August 14th, August 21, 100% the win rate, 970 pips. RFX, August 14th to August 21, 9 losses, 44 wins, 2 break even for 83% win ratio. Weekly Forex results, you will see that's 105 pips for the MNS, for the Nepal, which is really awesome. Another week here, August 22 to August 27, 1,685 pips with a 73.12% win rate. And this is between all of them. So this is really awesome. We have for the MNS Nepal, and that's 200 pips for them. August 22 to August 27, just for the RFX, we have a 76.79% win ratio, 43 wins and 13 losses. We have indices, also 100% win rate, 970 pips, 69 pips. And August 29 to September the 1st, there's 896 pips for 87.83% win ratio. RFX, 81 wins and 10 losses, making it 89% win ratio. Indices, 6 wins, 100% win rate, 1,490 pips. And indices here, the 4th to the 10th of September, is 100% win rate with 7 wins and 1,950 pips. And if you look at September, for the 4th of September to the 10th of September, there's 11 losses, 61 wins with RFX, 84.72% win ratio. Weekly results, September the 4th to December 10, all in all, there's 1,019 pips with an 81% win ratio. And for the same time, just for the MNS Nepal, there's 155 pips. Stock options, we have 10 wins, 0 losses, 48 points, 100% win ratio. And that is the conclusion here as well. So even though past results are not indicative of future results, like if you took action on this, I'm not saying that it will happen, I'm not saying it's a guarantee, but we can look at previous results. So if you had taken action on these here trade ideas, you could have doubled your account easily, right? You could have. So, and imagine being able to keep 100% of your profits, all of these pips, just a flat fee of $99. And here we have a track record where you can see that where week after week, month after month, it's delivering the goods. So I just wanted to share this short video with you and show you how really amazing the trade signals with Eaconomy is. And if you're interested in getting started with us, joining with me and my team, and other 6- and 7-figure earners in the industry that we're working with, just fill in the link down in the description below and we will help you set everything up. Thank you very much. My name is Marcus. Bye-bye.